Hey, what's up YouTube? Just wanted to make a quick video on my water heater issue I was having. The flammable vapor sensor, this thing right here, that was throwing an error code on the gas control valve. I was getting about 7 flashes with like a 3-second pause, and that indicates that there's like a fault in the sensor. Or that there's gas leaking somewhere. But in my case, there wasn't any gas leaking. This water heater is about 5-6 years old, so not out of the ordinary, in my opinion, for components to start to fail. So the thing is, I had this replaced and was still getting the code afterwards. So instead of calling the HVAC tech to come back out here and spend that money, I researched a little bit and found out that you can just replace this. It's really easy. Part costs about 80 bucks. And I'll show you how I went about that. So what you want to do is you want to turn this dial all the way to low and turn the gas control valve to off. And then you want to unplug the power. I have like this blower, vent motor thing, whatever. Not sure exactly what it's called. You unplug that from there, and then you go to the gas line. You turn this perpendicular, and that shuts off the gas to the water heater. After that, it's a clip, and if you're familiar with like car harnesses and stuff like that, it's kind of a clip like that, where it just tucks over. So you undo that, and then you can take off those 2 leads. Not really sure if they're polarized or not. I'm gonna assume not, but I did put the sensor back on there in the same orientation. And then you just plug those 2 leads back in, clip it back, and that's pretty much it. You wanna plug it in, turn your gas on, and then turn that to the on position. And then I let it turn on, so it like blinked a few times before it turned this dial to hot, and once I turned it to hot, it worked like it's supposed to. Like I said, it was a super easy fix. Here's what the old one looked like, and here's the part number of the new one. So yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video to show how easy that is. If you run into the same thing I was. So yeah, appreciate you watching.